Yep.
Love it. It's awesome. And I mean, either when one of the guys with us last weekend went through all the rapids. We did fall backwards once.
Yeah.
Pretty entertaining.
That's the right way to go.
Yeah. How many like you guys gonna help us?
Motors, okay? Mike and Andy, you follow their pace. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all forward. Okay? All forward. Let's go. You gotta move a little harder, push a little harder than that. We got pull back.
I think he keeps calling us.
Okay?
Yeah, I know.
Forward right, back left. There we go. Okay, all back. All back. Okay, that looks good. Okay, give me an all forward. Okay. There's a command that when we get into a rapid, I'm going to say dig. Okay? I want 3 great big dig strokes right now. Give me 3 great big dig strokes. Dig, fight the water, pull, 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 pull. Ooh, okay.
That was good.
It was good. We're gonna need more speed though.
What?
Okay, we're gonna need some ramming speed up here.
I feel like Jeremy's killing it.
Jeremy knows it's never good enough.
I'm real sorry about that.
It's all right.
I understand.
Okay, let's go all forward.
Our hands up on this one. Right? Roller coaster. It's a chilly spot. Oh, really? Yeah. I get when I watch the dogs go down there too. I'm like, they're just having living their best life.
You want the paddle?
Okay, we're gonna go around this
want me
one
to?
rock right here to the left.
Hop up there?
We're gonna handle the boat. So everybody get ready for a
I will next time.
couple big strokes.
Say when.
Okay, paddle! Paddle, 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 paddle!
Good. Rock. Oh yeah.
Good!
Yeah! Keep paddling.
Paddle in the middle. Okay, relax. Good job. Sorry, Sarah, I'll be louder.
Oh, no, you're good. No strangers in the boat.
Look at
You
that
got
pillow.
your got it on?
You see the little text on the little
Okay,
screen?
Yes.
stroke forward.
And now we got it uncomfortably close up.
Yeah, that's gross. You can delete that part.
Oh yeah, baby!
Oh, it's pretty water.
All right.
Yay, that was great.
Go left.
I did.
One more time, Natasha, gonna take it. Freeze,
Okay,
they're
let's
right
get
there.
some speed. All forward.
Oh yeah, Mike. That wave looks hungry. Oh yeah.
How was that? You did good. No kidding. I think I would have failed inside. I'm coming in.
Just hold on so we don't.
Right?
Okay, all forward. Speed jump. Go, 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 go. Everybody sing.
Big rise, Mike.
Dig, dig. Yeah, all good. Okay, Mike, we're gonna do it up here on this one.
Good job, sir.
All forward. All forward, dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig. All right, now stop. There you go. Michael.
I thought Mike's soul was gonna take us for a second, and he turned us right.
There's not much of a wave in there right now.
No.
But okay, back to the bowl.
Oh, there you go. Hey, Jeremy, arm in the air. Come on. Yeah, arm in the air, Jeremy. Arm in the air.
I got it, guys.
All forward. Dig hard, dig hard. Dig, 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 dig. Dig. Keep digging, keep digging, keep digging, keep digging. Keep digging, keep digging. Okay, keep tearing this one up. This is a fun one. Stay in the wave train. All forward! Go! All forward! All forward! Woo! All forward! All forward! Okay, I'll stop.
Falling in?
What? No.
Is it deep enough? Or it doesn't flip? I can video it? Hang on a second.
I am.
Oh, you are? Okay.
No, you can. Feel free. I mean, if it ends catastrophically, it'll be good for morale,
Yeah.
especially the knock.
Ready? We're good.
Ready for it. Mike's ready. Wait, you were
Forward.
Come on!